Call Center English Role Play. Conversation number 1. Call Center Agent and Customer.
Hello. Thank you for calling Acme Technology. My name is Carol. How may I help you?
Hi, Carol. I'm having trouble with your computer program.
I can help you with that, sir. What kind of problem are you having?
I'm having trouble installing the program.
I'm sorry about the difficulties you're having. I'll try my best to help you solve the problem.
Well, I'm trying to install it on both Windows and Linux.
I see. That's a little complicated. Would you mind if I put you on hold for a minute? I just need to check on the code.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, sir. Please hold for a minute. Hello, sir. Thank you very much for holding. I'm sorry, but could I transfer you to my supervisor?
Sure, that's fine.
I appreciate it. I will transfer your call now.
Call Center English Role Play. Conversation number 2. Hello, thank you for calling Spirit Systems. This is Tom speaking. How can I assist you?
Hello. I recently bought a new computer and I'm having trouble loading your software.
All right, ma'am. Could you please tell me which version you are trying to load?
It's the GR something. Hold on a sec. I'm trying to find the version of the program.
Sure, please take your time.
It is the GR5 Turbo.
Thank you, ma'am. The GR5 Turbo. I'm sorry about the troubles you are having. I'll try my best to help you solve the issue.
All right, thank you.
Ma'am, which operating system are you currently using?
I'm on a Mac and the OS is Mount Tam.
I see. Could I put you on hold for a few minutes? I need to speak with technical support.
Okay, but I need to get back to work soon.
I completely understand. It should only take a couple of minutes.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much for holding, ma'am. I think I found the problem.
Great. Please tell me.
I apologize, but our company has not yet released an update for that OS. It will be available early next week.
Ah, now I understand. Well, that explains it.
On behalf of our company, I am very sorry for the delay. Please check our website for the update next week.
Okay, I'll do that.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that should do it.
Thank you very much for calling, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for looking into it.
Thank you again, ma'am. Goodbye. Call Center English Role Play. Conversation number 3.
Hello, thank you for calling Horizon Mobile. My name is Sarah. How can I help you?
Yes, my bill for this month is double the amount from last month. I think there is an accounting mistake.
Oh, let's look into this. May I have your full name and phone number, please?
Yes, it is Paul S. Thompson. My number is 619-563-9810.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. For verification purposes, may I have your date of birth?
Sure. My date of birth is May 11th, 1978.
Thank you, sir. Could you give me a minute to pull up your account information?
Sure, of course.
Thank you for waiting, sir. I found your last billing invoice and it does appear there has been an error.
I thought so.
We are very sorry for the double billing. I will notify our accounting department and they will send a new bill.
How long will that take?
You should receive it in 3 to 5 business days.
Okay, could you tell me my current balance?
Yes, of course, sir. Your current balance is $87.16.
Okay, that sounds about right.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that should do it.
Again, I apologize for the error. Thank you very much for calling, Mr. Thompson.
Thanks for getting that sorted out.
It was my pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.